Enjoy Family Dollar. Here, take some record.
Hey, remember those guys?
Yes, those were totally cool back in the day, and then they stopped sending them, and then they started
They're
sending
sky
them.
dancers. They're little Barbies that fly.
Ooh.
They were so cool.
You know you want one. Keep on doing this. What the fuck are we doing?
Okay. Remember when those are like $5 and these are like 38, and now they're like 5 and these are like 1.
I know.
Hey, dude.
What, dude? We're here for something.
Okay, but I like. You're so fucking nasty.
That was
Whatever.
I swear to fucking
Look, that's what I wanted for my party. I wanted.
torch.
Yeah.
A tiki torch.
Hey, you know what they told me that I'm still having the party, but wouldn't we have had it already since I am leaving next week?
I'm gonna Dallas. Who said we needed them to throw us a party?
Turn your ass around and go over there, pendejo.
All we need is y'all to throw us a party.
I'll bring the weed. Look, pens.
I'll stuff it in my shoe from over here. Ooh. Ooh.
What?
Markers.
Remember we used to have fun. It's cheap.
Remember when we used to get these?
No.
We used to make stuff out of it, and I made you a butterfly and a flower.
Oh yeah, that was that summer.
That was last summer. Ooh, that was gangster.
Look at our school supplies. I know I'm a school supply freak, so just so y'all know.
You give me this for my birthday next year.
No, they better not cost $1. They better cost like 10 some.
Well, I checked one of these ones.
Just as long as y'all give me a lot of these and a lot of permanent markers.
Hey, let me go ask them if they have CDs.
Yeah. And like, oh, orange, ooh, green, ooh. I want to see if they have the perfect card. Yes, I am bored. Ooh, look. Ah! Y'all can get me this for my birthday. That. Or a Tinkerbell one. Okay? So y'all know. What? Ooh, look at these. Oh shit.
Alright, Drew. Drew be the kid's favorite color.
Okay.
Here. What else should we get? I got $10.
You got $10?
You got 5 and I have 10.
Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, can you buy me some headphones?
Nigga.
Okay, can you buy me them cherry, black cherry incense thing?
For what?
You want to be like that?
We can't.
Oh shit, what?